Hello and welcome to the Gold and Silver Club Week Ahead Commodity Report, the non-members edition for the 14th to the 18th of August 2017, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Today we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets and discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering commodity market outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments, trade watch list, our trade idea of the week, and a review of our recent top trades using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading. As internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, the energies and the agricultural markets, they are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. For more information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please do visit www.thegoldensilverclub.com. Commodity market outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments. Over the last week, geopolitical tension between the US and North Korea has been dominating their headlines, and with that we've seen some serious moves on a number of markets. One of the most notable has been the safe haven demand, boosting the price for gold, for silver and industrial metals, and also the digital currencies. Gold prices closed the week at their highest level in more than 2 months, just under $1,300 per ounce, whilst the Bloomberg Industrial Metal Index surged to a 30-month high as rising tensions between the United States and North Korea intensified and triggered safe haven buying. The VIX, the most widely followed barometer of the US stock market volatility, hit its highest mark since the 8th of November when Trump was elected president. Alongside gold and silver, which surged last week off the back of safe haven demand, Bitcoin prices hit an all-time record above 4,000, more than tripling in value this year. Bitcoin in January of 2017 was trading at $1,000, and as of the 14th of August 2017 is now trading at $4,000. So essentially quadrupling in value in just 8 months. Gold has also had an impressive run this year, up 10%, but nothing like the returns that we are seeing on Bitcoin at the moment. So with that, we'll move over to the charts and we'll be discussing both Bitcoin and gold and the next opportunities as we head into a fresh week. Trade watch list and our trade idea of the week. First of all, moving over to the Bitcoin chart, you will immediately notice that once we broke above very key level of resistance, which was the 3,000 level and the all-time highs, Bitcoin managed to rally over $1,000 within the space of 9 days. So once Bitcoin managed to break above the 3,000 level and close above that level, it took just over a week for the price to then gain another $1,000, which is a huge move, up over another 25%. And in fact, from the recent pullback that we saw in mid-July here, Bitcoin prices have doubled. So where it pulled back to under $2,000, it's now broken out and surged up to over $4,000, currently trading at 4,131. So we have witnessed an extreme capitulation to the upside after a breach of the all-time highs, and in fact a retest back below $2,000 provided a fantastic buying opportunity here, where essentially you could double your money on Bitcoin within 1 month, going from $2,000 to $4,000. So far this year, Bitcoin is now up 400%, beginning the year at $1,000 and now trading over $4,000. Now this is in comparison to gold, which by normal accounts has had a good year. Gold is currently up over 10% so far. We'll have a look at the gold chart very shortly, but I want to just show you the comparison between the gains at the moment between Bitcoin and also gold. Bitcoin over the last week has also been a recipient of safe haven demand here as well. We have seen some of the biggest volumes going through the market all year in both Bitcoin and also Ethereum, and this breakout and surge in price for the cryptocurrencies has coincided with rising tension between North Korea and the United United States over the last week. So certainly the cryptocurrencies have been a beneficiary of safe haven demand. So if we compare the move that we've seen on gold over the last week to Bitcoin, you can see here where gold also got a safe haven bid, particularly over Wednesday, Thursday and Friday of last week. Gold increased 2% on the week. It managed to break out to 2-month highs and traded on Friday just below 1,300 US dollars per ounce. Right now, gold is trading at 1,281 US dollars per ounce. If we have a look at the price structure here on gold, we can see where we're ever so close to retesting the 1,300 level. We're only within $20 of 1,300 US dollars per ounce. At these levels, you want to be nimble on gold. Very quickly, geopolitical news can cause gold to get a bid and break out significantly higher. The main trade idea to consider on gold at the moment is to be looking to buy on supportive pullbacks back towards the 1250 to 1260 zone whilst we still have geopolitical tension in the background here. So it's not unusual to get some profit taking around the key level of resistance just under the 1300 level, which we're seeing at the moment. Gold is currently trading at 1,282 US dollars per ounce. So essentially pullbacks which then get supported would be opportunities to add here on gold, providing there is enough confirmation for that. The next major levels to observe on gold where I would be looking at potential buying opportunities if those get supported will be residing between 1,260 US dollars per ounce up to 1,275. That is the zone that I'm looking at the moment. So any pullbacks which come back down towards 1,260 US dollars up to 1,275 US dollars, we'll be looking at the price structure and to see whether those do get a bid and whether that will provide a good buying opportunity to re-enter into gold here, considering the recent breakout and surge and safe haven bid that the precious metals have received over the last week here. Gold breaking out to 2-month highs and currently up 10% this year. Now moving back to Bitcoin and the trade opportunities on this market at the moment. So as I mentioned earlier, Bitcoin prices have doubled now in 1 month and we've seen an explosion in price from 3,000 up to 4,000 within 9 days here. Currently Bitcoin is trading at 4,157. So where next for the price? Where are the next major levels? Where should you consider the next trading opportunity? In terms of the price structure of Bitcoin at this level, given that we have had a capitulation in price over the last week, we are getting short-term overextended to the upside, but that's not to say that Bitcoin cannot continue this move to the upside. We were overextended last week above 3,500, but that did not stop Bitcoin from rallying and breaking out to 4,200. You can see the price structure right now continues to grind higher with higher highs, higher closes and also higher lows as well. I would still look at pullbacks whilst this price structure remains very well supported as buying opportunities. The next major underlying level of support is 3,800. So a revisit of 3,800, if that gets well supported, would likely provide another good buying opportunity to take the price back above 4,000 again and higher to the key psychological resistance levels I've discussed, which include 4,276 and also 4,500. Those would be the next major levels of resistance that I'm looking at on the chart. If we get a deeper corrective pullback, I would also look at the 3,300 to 3,500 zone, which was an important level that we broke out from last week, also as a potential buying opportunity if the price gets well supported and bid at that level as well. So I do hope that helps and gives you some clarity about the moves that we're seeing at the moment in both Bitcoin and also gold. Both have received a safe haven bid over the last week. Gold is now up over 10% this year. Bitcoin is up over 400%. And in fact, Bitcoin has just broken back above 4,200. If you'd like to find out more, make sure you stay on to the end of today's session and we'll give you full details of how you can make an application and become a member of the Gold and Silver Club. Top trades of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Our top trades over the last week have included gold, oil, soybeans and also Bitcoin. So gold, we've taken advantage of the safe haven bid over the last week, the breakout and surge that we've seen on gold to 2-month highs, banking 225 points profit. US oil found some weakness last week off the back of the monthly OPEC report, giving us an opportunity to sell short on lower timeframes, banking 130 points profit. Soybeans also pointed lower over the last week, giving us a sell short setup, banking 275 70 points profit on this trade. And finally, Bitcoin has really been the star over the last week. For those of you who watched our analysis last Wednesday, you would have seen us talk through this trading opportunity on Bitcoin to take advantage of a breakout and surge up towards the next major levels of overhead resistance. We've capitalized on the breakout trade here on Bitcoin over the last week, banking 550 points profit. Would you like to join an elite community of profitable traders, get exclusive daily live trade ideas and analysis, accelerate your trading skills, and generate a consistent income? Whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading to that next level, the private members live trading room is definitely for you. Private members get access to the following. You have access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the markets right in front of you, picking out the best trades, sharing our exact entry, exit, profit and stop loss targets on each position, as well as walk you through every actionable trading idea step by step, ready to implement for instant results. You receive real-time trade alerts delivered via email and SMS, where you get the exact buy and sell alerts along with suggested entry, exit, profit targets. All trade alerts are sent out in advance notice to make sure you have plenty of time to get into each trade at the best price for maximum profits. You also get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to help you make smarter, well-informed trading decisions. Our unique insights and analysis ensures that you're well equipped with the most accurate technical and fundamental information you need to identify market trends early, predict future price movements, and act on every trading decision with confidence. The private members live trading room includes exclusive live trading room webinars with interactive Q&A, daily live actionable trade ideas shared with you ready to implement, real-time trade alerts delivered instantly via email and SMS, exact details of where we enter, where we exit and place a stop loss on each trade, access to our private members live trading room forum, ongoing support and mentoring to help you achieve long-term success, and exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market intelligence to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our private members live trading room, please go to www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com, complete the application form, and we will get in touch with you ASAP.